When BMW celebrated its 100th anniversary, they didn't just build a fast bike, they built a smart one. The first thing you'll notice is the flex frame. Unlike a traditional motorcycle, there are no joints or bearings in the steering. Instead, the entire frame bends when you turn the handlebars. At low speeds, the frame is soft and easy to maneuver. But as you blast down the highway, it becomes stiff and monolithic for rock-solid stability. It's wrapped in a sleek black carbon shell that pays tribute to the original 1923 BMW R32. But beneath that skin, it's pure future. Here's where it gets controversial. BMW's engineers are so confident in the self-balancing tech that they say protective gear is a thing of the past. Instead of a bulky helmet, you wear data glasses, a set of smart visors that project your speed and navigation directly into your field of vision. And forget about heavy leather jackets. The rider wears a lightweight climate suit. It monitors your body temperature and automatically cools you down or warms you up, depending on the weather. It even vibrates against your leg to tell you when to turn. It's not just a suit, it's a co-pilot. If you think the concept is just a showpiece, think again. In 2018, BMW proved the tech was real by unleashing an autonomous R1200 GS. Without anyone touching the controls, the bike started itself, leaned into corners, and even flipped on its turn signals before coming to a perfect stop. But BMW isn't trying to replace the rider. They are creating a digital safety net. This technology is designed to step in during a crisis, adjusting your trajectory or keeping the bike vertical to prevent a collision with a car you might not have seen. The Vision Next 100 is a rolling laboratory. While you can't buy this exact bike today, the self-balancing systems and active safety tech are already trickling down into the models you see in showrooms. We are approaching a day where you can simply step off your bike in a parking lot and walk away without even reaching for a kickstand. It's a bold vision of a world where riding is safer, but just as thrilling. So, would you trust a bike that balances itself, or do you prefer the old school risk? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Lux Auto Reviews. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.